happy, elated, extremely happy, sad, melancholy, a deep feeling of sadness, tired, exhausted, completely worn out, angry, furious, very angry, fast, rapid, happening quickly, slow, sluggish, moving very slowly, smart, intelligent, having great knowledge, kind, compassionate, showing deep concern for others, rich, wealthy, having a lot of money, poor, destitute, extremely poor, scared, terrified, very frightened, big, enormous, very large, clean, spotless, completely clean, dirty, filthy, very dirty, cold, freezing, very cold, hot, scorching, very hot, easy, effortless, requiring no effort, difficult, arduous, very hard to do, strong, powerful, having great strength, weak, fragile, easily broken or damaged, hungry, starving, extremely hungry, old, ancient, very old, new, innovative, new and creative, important, crucial, very important, beautiful, gorgeous, extremely attractive, interesting, fascinating, very interesting, friend, companion, someone you spend time with, help, assist, to give support or aid, work. Occupation, a job or profession. Job. Vocation, a strong feeling for a career. Guess. Speculate, to form an idea without full evidence. Start. Commence, to begin something. End. Terminate, to bring to an end. Stop. Cease, to put an end to something. Use. Utilize, to make use of something efficiently. Try. Endeavor, to put effort into something. Think. Ponder, to think deeply about something. Say. Utter, to speak or express something. See. Observe, to watch carefully. Hear. Perceive, to become aware of sounds. Show. Demonstrate, to explain or prove something. Talk. Converse, to have a formal discussion. Tell. Inform, to give information. Ask. Inquire, to request information. Choose. Select, to pick something. Give. Donate, to give away for a cause. Buy. Purchase, to acquire something by paying for it. Sell. Market, to offer something for sale. Change. Modify, to alter something slightly. Fix. Repair, to restore something broken. Make. Construct, to build or create something. Break. Fracture, to damage or destroy. Fall. Plummet, to drop suddenly. Catch. Capture, to take or seize. Move. Relocate, to change position or place. Stay. Remain, to continue in a place. love. Adore, to love deeply. Like. Appreciate, to value something. Hate. Despise, to strongly dislike. Need. Require, to be necessary. Want. Desire, to long for something. Forget. Neglect, to fail to remember or care for. Remember. Recollect, to recall a memory. Sleep. Slumber, to sleep deeply. Wake up. Awaken, to stop sleeping. Laugh. Chuckle, to laugh quietly. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.